mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be.
Yo.
Welcome guys, my name is Lauren Rahanagani, aka Lulungi in the building. Wiki P-Rod. Okay, so yeah, welcome back again to my Temu and Shein haul. So I'll be showing you what I have bought, so I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so these are the two packages here, and we're gonna start with one of these. And the quality of the things that I have bought, I love them so much. So yeah, let's go through them. So okay, already I did wear these sandals. They are size 39, which is, I think it's 6, yeah. 6, I bought this. Guys, the thing is, I bought these packages like 2 days ago, so I think these ones are from Shein. No, they're from Shein. So yeah, and they're very the relationship between myself and God is this, and then I bought these headbands. I already won this today, and then we have 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, here are they. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. So let's check this one. Yeah, this one is from Shein. Shein. Hi, pretty. Shein baby. Ah, you see? Mangoba. So I bought these 2 pieces for my son. These are the pants, and this is the size 3 to 4. They're very nice. I like them. Very nice. And then I bought another packs of earrings. Oh, I also bought this one. Came only one. And then I bought this swimsuit. But I don't think I love the swimsuit. I loved it when I was buying it, but seeing the colors now, I think nah. Maybe the bra Maybe I might buy a black panty for it. Yeah. And this, not me. I'll see what to do. And then this side, okay. This one, they are finger rings. Finger rings, finger rings. See? That's how you put them. Love them. Also, and then I got myself this necklace. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm cooking. So if you see me being crusty on my fingers, yeah, there's the necklace, guys. Okay, for this dress I did wear it just to tell you so I have so that you see. I'm wearing it so that you see how big it looks, but it's very nice. It's very nice. So nice. Sexy. And then this one is from Timo. I also bought earrings. And then this one is not there because yesterday I was going for my birthday photo shoot, and then yeah, I put them somewhere. Hi guys, this is the package from Pexi from the lady that I bought from. Okay, so yeah, go through with me and to revealing my package. I was so very excited, Shem, because I took a risk from being paid my birthday bonus to buying this for myself. I was happy. I was very happy. So very happy. So yeah. Let's go through. Mele ite. Hello. Yes. My phone. What? What? Hi. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahalakane Lorraine, aka Lolonki Wiki in the building. Okay. I look so beautiful, so natural, so whatever. So yeah. So guys, I wanted to upload something so that you guys can see that I have bought myself something so nice. As you can see, the quality of the camera is very giving. So yeah, right now I just I'm cleaning, and then it's raining outside. It's drizzling, but it's raining. It's nice. It's no storms, no noise, nothing. So now I'm cleaning, and then I'm going to take a bath and then relax. So yeah, spend the day with me.
why.
Thank you, lovies, for watching my vlog. Subscribe, like, and comment.